Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, and we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Atke. So, student, in this video, our chapter going on decimal fraction, as you can see on the right hand side of mine, and here the important topic of this chapter that names place value of a particular digit in a decimal number. So, student, here in this video, we will learn that if our decimal number is being given to us and particular digit has been marked, then we have to find its place value. So this may be in any part of the decimal number, it may be in the whole part or it may be in the decimal part. So wherever it may be, we have to find its place value. So student, you will watch this video without skipping any part of this so that you may get the 100% concept clarity over this topic. So let us start with the topic place value of a particular digit in a decimal number. Dear student, in this video we are going to learn that how to write the place value of an encircled digit in the following decimal numbers. So student, here some decimal numbers are being given to you and such digits are being encircled. You have to find the place value of the encircled digits. So let us start this first question. So student, the first question is 12.089. So 0 is at which place? 0 is at 10th place. Okay student, now we know 0 is in which part? First of all, there are two parts of a decimal number. The first part, that is left side of the decimal, that is called the whole part, and which is on the right side of the decimal, that is called the decimal part. So our digit that is encircled, whose place value we have to write, that is in the decimal part. Okay, so decimal part, it is at first place after decimal. So its place value is 10th. 0 over 10, we can write it. So its place value is 1/10 or tenths. Okay, we can write it 0 tenths. Here, question number second, 14.406. Again, the encircled digit whose place value we have to find is at third place to the right of decimal. So this is 4 is 10th place, this is 100th place, and 6 is 1000th place. So I can write it 6 over 1000, or I can write it 6 thousandths. Okay student, now question number 3, 2918 decimal 073. So now our concerned digit whose place value we have to find, that is in the whole part, and in whole parts 8 is at the first place. So if I write, the whole part is 2198, and 1 is at which place? 8 is at which place? 8 is at 1's place. Okay, so you will write 8 ones. 8 multiply 1, that is 8. So I can write 8 ones. So it is at 1's place. Okay student, now question number 4, 57.3. See, that is the digit 3 is at the first place right to the decimal. So it is at 10th place. Okay student, so I will write 3 over 10. So I can write 3 tenths. Okay student, now we are on question 5. Here the encircled digit is in our whole part. So firstly I will write 4375, and because this is in the whole part, so we will read it as 4375. As you know student, that 5 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, and 3 is at 100 place, but 4 is at 1000th place. So we can write 4 multiply 1000 or 4000. So we shall write it 4 thousands. Okay student, you check the difference in the question number 5 and question number 2. You see here thousandths and here thousands. Okay student, thousands are being written for the whole number and thousandths are being written for the decimal part of the decimal number. Okay, now 48.0905. Here the encircled digit is in decimal part. So in decimal part we will have to see that 5 is at which place. After decimal, 5 is at the first, second, third, fourth. So this is on 4th place. So I will write this 5 over how many zeros? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be its place value. And in words, how we will write this? 5. And what is this? 10,000. Okay, so I will write 10 thousandths. 10 thousandths. Okay students, now 475.96. You can see student, 6 is at the second place to the right of decimal. So I will write 6 over 6 is at which place? Second place. So I will write 2 zeros. Okay student, so I shall read this 6 hundredths. 6 hundredths. Okay student, now you can see we are on the 8th question. 3592.7804. So this part is the whole part and this part is the decimal part. Our digit that we have to write the place value of is in the whole part. So firstly I will see 3592. So how shall we read this? 3592. So 9 is at which place? 9 is at 10's place. So I will write 9 multiply 10, that is 90. Okay student, 90. So I will write 9 tens. 9 tens is the answer student. Okay, now so I have explained all the question, and in this video if you are satisfied then please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. And now I am pausing this video for you people so that you can take the screenshot for the return purpose. So